A big hello to everybody who's there on this workshop today. I welcome each and every person on this available on this room today to My Mission, My Vision board exercise. This is being conducted by SRWA, Shantinagar Resident Welfare Association, and Sarvatra in association with Sarvatra. Welcome each and every person. The entire workshop is going to be great fun. That much I can assure you. The only requirement from your side is active involvement. If you people can hear me, just type in here in the chat box so that we know, we can proceed further. HEAR here. Okay, very quickly. The words that I use, you need to type in that here. Don't worry about the spelling. I am also very bad at spelling. Neither am I an English teacher. So all you need to do is get involved into this program. Thank you so much. Okay. This is a webinar-based activity. There is going to be lots and lots of fun. Okay, that much I can assure you. One thing I believe in, whether you learn something or no, that is second part. But the first thing always you need to make sure is have fun. And today's workshop, next 90 minutes, we are going to have some phenomenal fun. Are you with me to have some fun? If you are with me, type in fun in the chat box here. Yes. I want to hear you guys. Yes, don't worry what kind of fun. Just simply, if you want to have fun, type in fun. Yes. We have all the teenagers here. The millennials also part of this program. One thing I know is this is going to be an amazing, you are going to have a great time with me. That much I can assure you. And of course, there's going to be lots and lots of action. Lots of tamasha is going to happen here, because one thing I believe is if you don't have fun, you cannot learn anything. Learn to have fun first, have fun, learning will happen automatically. Yeah. So are you ready for some excitement? Are you ready? If you're ready, type in ready in the chat box. I want everybody. Yeah, if you're ready, type in ready. Yeah. I love you guys. Okay, the excitement. Shantinagar, you are amazing. You are certainly amazing. We are definitely peace-loving people. Bennett, but when it comes to having fun, I think we are less to none. We are second to none. Yeah. So yes, I straight away jump into it. Now, before I go in, okay, I just want to have a quick idea of people, what kind of mind frame people are with. So I'll just pop in a survey here in front of you. There's going to be a survey which is going to pop up in front of you. You need to answer the survey on your screen. Okay. The survey is very simple. The question is, how many of you believe that you can create your destiny? How many of you believe I can create my own destiny? If you believe yes, type in yes here very quickly, because next 5 seconds I'm going to close down the voting. 5, 4, 3, 2. You need to be very quick. Generation Z, you need to be very quick. Where was I? 3. Yes, 3, 2, 1. For few of you who are thinking that we can only watch, this is not a Gyan session. This is not a lecture program for your information. This is participation, and I can only sense a lot of energy into this program. I want you people to participate. Quick, participate. 1. And here I am going to stop the voting. Here I don't want I don't want you to type in the chat box. I want you to answer. Okay, few of you are putting in the chat box. No, the survey, you need to click on your screen. Survey, yeah, survey which is going on. Okay, and I end the voting here. And let's see, let me share the result with you. Okay, 62%. That is, okay, let me read it the other way around. Only 2 people feel that they cannot create destiny. Otherwise, literally pretty much everybody believes that you can create your own destiny. Well, I'm going to have a great time today because I have got the right set of audience. People who believe they can create results. Okay, they can create their own destiny, because one thing I believe in is, yes, karma is there. I don't deny it. But those people who are movers and shakers are the people who believe you can create destiny. And I know Shantinagar for a fact is filled with such people. And of course, we have a battery of people who are there. Before I begin, I just want to start with my gratitude, with my thank you to some amazing, rock stars of Shantinagar, especially SRWA, Shantinagar Residents Welfare Association. They have been conducting a lot of events on the field, off the field, for the children, for you name it, and they are doing it. Okay, and this is spearheaded by, Anand is the current president. I take this opportunity to thank Anand, Prasad, Shashikala, Ashwin, Girish. In Hindi you call it the Karta Dharta of SRWA. Of course, they have a wonderful team acting along with them. These guys are amazing. If you think SRWA is doing a great job, let me tell you, we need to type in clap over here, because these guys are putting in a lot of efforts. I see that every day, right from the dustbins to whatnot. They are everywhere. You need to type in clap, 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 clap. You need to type in clap. This is a virtual clap. Please type in virtual clap for these amazing souls who are there. Of course, today's program, we have 3 coordinators. Disha Bhansali, the amazing Disha Bhansali. Rashmi, you are amazing. Okay, I interacted with you a lot. And of course, Sneha. All these 3 people have put in a lot of efforts to make sure that the teenagers, the youngsters of Shantinagar, and of course the entire family of Shantinagar benefits. And that is when this program is a possibility. I once again thank SRWA for being this amazing people that you are, and helping us sort out a lot of problems from our life. Thank you so much. And I want to thank certain important people, that is you people, each one of you who is there right now in this workshop, this webinar based, complete activity based workshop. I want to thank each one of you. If not for you, this workshop wouldn't have been a reality. Yes, you could have done something else, but the fact that you are here shows that your hunger towards growth. And I love people who are hungry for growth. Let me tell you that. I help students. I am a teenager coach. This is what my programs are. And I know when you are hungry, your food will come. So when you are hungry for knowledge, when you're hungry to learn, things will happen. So what is it in store for each one of you here today? Well, the first point, very important, is how to plan your success. Well, different people, different meanings of success, but the objective is the same. The understanding is the same of success. Yeah. So, but here, what you need to understand is planning is very important. How many of you believe planning is very important for success in any field? If you feel so, type in plan over here in the chat box. Yes, I want to see how many people believe in planning for their success. Come on, everybody, irrespective of your age. There are a few parents who have joined us. I appreciate you being part of the system. You guys are amazing. That shows how much you care for the teenagers, not just your children, but the entire Shantinagar. Love you guys. Plan, yes, everybody should answer. Today, I do not want to see anybody sitting idle. This is the way we are going to engage ourselves. Of course, planning is important. And when I talk about planning, well, I will take it further. But here right now, the other things that we are going to learn today is, one, you are going to come out with your mission statement. One thing I'm telling you, by virtue of joining this very seminar, this very workshop, what you have done is you have put yourself amongst the top 1%, in fact, not even 1%, the top 0.1% population of this world, because people do not know what is, should I have a mission statement? Big organizations definitely have mission statements, which is a guiding principle. Well, what I have done is I have brought it down to the level of teenagers, so that, we also need to have mission statement, because what I believe is mission is crucial for guiding us. Today, you are going to come out with your own mission statement. And I'm promising you, you'll have a roller coaster ride today. Yeah. And the second part is, the third part rather, is vision board. Well, I'm going to guide you step by step in all the 3 processes. There'll be going to be a step-by-step process. This is not a lecture gyan session. Let me tell you, after after a few minutes, you will start doing a lot of stuff. The only request is you people should be doing it individually. Watch this webcast webinar together, absolutely no problem. But what you need to do is you all need to work individually, because mission is all about an individual vision board that we are going to draw. You are going to be zapped, because this is going to throw a lot of surprises for you. A lot of you are going to get emotional, I promise you that. Okay, but important point is today is going to be an important, very crucial day for you, because today you are joining the top 1% or no 0.1% club of this world. So if you're excited, type in excited so that I can take you through. If you're excited, type in excited so that I can quickly take you through to the next formalities. I want to say everybody, okay, even if you are 50, 60 years old, few of you are joining us, participate like a kid. Why I love millennials? Well, I was working with Standard Chartered Bank. Why I took up these teenagers is because these guys are amazing guys. They are the movers and shakers. They are going to make the things happen for us. I want you people to type in, okay, excited. Yes. Now that we are going to, be together for some time, is it okay if I share something from my personal life? If it's okay, type in okay so that I start. Yes, please. Thank you so much for your permission. Let me tell you, when I was small, young, teenage, or perhaps preteen, okay, what I realized was there was a lot of negativity around, wonderful people. But when I wanted to do something, the first people whom we, including my own people around me say, not possible. Don't do. Look at your face. Okay. Look at your face and no, this is not possible. In fact, I can tell you that there were more people who were negative than people who were positive. Okay, few of you, if you are not able to listen to my voice, what I suggest is log out and log in again. You need to log out and log in again. That's very important. Okay, because if you people can hear me, please type in here or here. Yeah, if you can type in I, that's all. I. If you can hear me, type in I. Yes, let's be very quick. Some technical hits certain people are facing. Very quickly, everybody participate. Let's make it, a small family of Shantinagar. So we help out each other. We just have a, kind of consensus as to how many people cannot hear. Yeah. Very quickly, everybody, every one of you need to answer. Okay, please re-log in if you cannot. I've just typed in over here. Okay, and there used to be a lot of negativity around. There used to be a lot of people who used to tell us, not possible, don't do it. To an extent that anything I do, right from, I want to, some fan is gone off. I try something with the plug. First thing people says, you can't do it. Okay, anything new I try, they would always say you can't do it. Okay. How many of you understand what I'm saying? If you have gone through same like this, type in me over here. Type in me. If you've gone through this negativity, if you're going through this negativity, yeah, world has not changed. World has not changed a bit. Let me tell you, you still have more people pouncing on you and saying, hey, don't do, macha, you can't do it, sale nahi kar sakta. Something like that. Okay. And the second point, what used to happen was, I still do not understand this concept. Everybody wants money. Money buys a lot of stuff, but still everybody will say money is bad. Money is the cause of all the problems. You should never become, all the rich, and money leads to rich people being bad and stuff like that. There was a lot of, kind of negativity surrounding, or bad things being surrounded around money. Now, the surprising part was, I would always feel you go out for every small thing, you need money. And those people who are saying money is bad are the people also needing money. But why is everybody saying money bad? Listen, Money is not bad. The problem is attachment to money. People get attached to money. That is the problem, not money. Money is good. Money is very important. And I teach my students, okay, to earn in abundance. Okay, pardon my language, but बहुत दबा दबा के कमाना पैसा. Okay, you need to earn in abundance. This is what you need to teach your children. But don't get attached to money. Okay, and my children, my students have gone on to start earning money when they are in 10th and 11th standard, and today their graduation, post graduation, they have their own businesses, they are earning in crores. Important point is money is good. Okay, and third point is, whenever I used to think something big, people will always say बेवकूफ साला ये नहीं कर पाएगा, in your entire khandan nobody's done this. Okay, don't even try it. This is not your cup of tea. Okay, you should spread your legs as much as your rug that you have. Jitta chadar utta pair felana. Things like these, which I would never try to figure to understand why they are telling this. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Okay, you think something a little big, and there will be 50 people saying, no, you should not think. Pele, take one step at a time. Don't do it. Despite you may have a lot of abilities. No, I need everybody's involvement here. 1-2 people will not help my cause. Yes. Yeah. How many of you think this is, how many of you face this challenge? You think something big, and, there'll be people who, without even knowing, will jump and say, don't do it. It's not true. No, this is wrong. How many of you have gone through this? Exactly. So world has not changed. It's not different. And let me tell you what is important in today. That is when I have come out with today's seminar, 90-minute seminar. This is very crucial. Let me tell you, after designing this, I gave it a thought. I realized I didn't get anything like this when I was of your age, when I was a teenager. You people are lucky that you are getting, you people are lucky you have SRWA, who gets people like us to get into this zone. Anyways, I'll share one small instance which I happened, which changed the direction of my life. I was in 9th standard. I was a rank student. First 5 ranks I used to always get. So what used to happen was, I studied in a school which was government aided school. A lot of energy in the children. And if I have to explain the level of energy in the children, even when teacher is sitting there, children will whistle, or that talking to each other. That is energy. Okay, I call it energy. So that kind of energy used to be there. Lots of it, even within the teacher, without the teacher, always it used to be there. So our science teacher, Mr. Iyer, he used to tell us, listen, if you people really want to study, if you are interested in study, you should come here and sit in front of me and study. Forget about all disturbance. Now, we were, rank students. So 8-10 of us, what we used to do, whenever it used to be science period, we'll go and sit in front of Sir Iyer sir. And sitting in front, you can't always look at him, okay, because your neck will pain. We used to look here, there. This used to happen. Now, what we used to do is, we people who are sitting in front, what used to happen was, we sometimes look down. And science means experiment, right? R&D. Other subjects you can, kind of, learn all that stuff. But science means experiment. How many of you with me? Science is experiment. If that is, type in okay. Yes. Okay. Science is experiment. If you're with me, type in okay over here. That's how you learn science. You can't read science. Okay. That's my understanding. Then what used to happen was, I sat there one of those days when I was sitting down. I happened to, suddenly see my sir's feet. Okay. And his shoelace had come out. Now imagine 9th standard student. And you know why I love teenagers? They have a brilliant mind, which is always freaking out here. This, that. They have thousands and thousands of ideas running at any given point of time. These are smart cookies. How many of you agree with me? Teenagers are smart cookies. If you agree, type in agree over here. Okay. And type in agree very quickly. I just want to see your response. Yes, I want everybody to participate. So I used to see this, and I saw that shoelace coming up, and my mind also, look, don't have opinions about me. I am very decent person, okay? But go through the incidents. I happened to see the lace, and suddenly a thought came. What will happen if these lace get intertwined? Intertwined like this, both the lace coming together. Now I happen to think, okay, and my fellow classmate who was sitting next to me, he did this like this to me, and he asked me. And what I like about teenagers, you don't have to speak. They are so smart. They have telepathy, especially when it comes to matters of school and class. They have telepathy. Yeah, they have telepathy. You don't even have to tell, and one person, the other understands what this person is trying to say, right? This is what happens, right? And then what happened was, I simply looked at him. I gave him a cunning smile. He giving me a cunning smile, and then uh, we had some conversation, and then I suddenly got a shock of my life because he was tying the lace of Iyer sir, both the laces together, and it was about to, period was about to get over. The bell rang, and before I could do anything, Iyer sir got up from his chair, and you know what happened after that? Dhadam! Now don't ask me, Raju bhai, what happened after that. How I was reprimanded, how we good students, suddenly our image become very different. Don't tell me, don't ask me all this, okay, because that is not the subject. But what I came to know that day is very, very important lesson of my life. Do you want to hear that lesson of my life? If you want to type in yes over here, okay. A big lesson, a very big lesson which I learned that day. If you want to learn it, type in yes over there. Yeah. What I realized that day was I can influence people. I realized it that day that I can influence people. And how many of you understand here? Each one of you has influence over others. It may be 2 people, 5 people, 50 people, 5,000 people. How many is not the question here? But each one of you has influence on people. How many of you agree with me? How many of you agree with me that you have influence on people? Forget about the number of people, but I just want to listen from you. Participate, yeah. Influencing people. And let me tell you, this is very crucial. The first lesson of success in life, if you want success at any age, in any field, you need to learn to influence people. And you know what kind of influence? Well, let me show you one simple scene, 23-second video. I want to just share it with you. See this. This is a video after I took, 60 minutes, 1 hour's workshop in one of the schools in Bijapur. Just observe. Standalone event, this happens to me across wherever I go. Listen, I'm in the center. It took me 40 minutes to come down from the stage. 40 minutes. And I want you to see this carefully, because I want you to desire this influence. I want you to imagine this influence you having over people, nothing less. How many of you want to have sakat influence, a lot of influence on people? If you think that way, people are important, type in people here in the chat box, because people are very crucial for success. Whether it is commercial, whether it is school, whether it is college, whether it is life, whether it is business, people are very important. If you think so, type in people here. There is a reason why I am taking you through this stuff. I'm just building to what I'm wanting to come to. And when you talk of influence, you need to have something like what I have shown you. Okay. This is available on our YouTube channel called Sarvatra. You people need to tag in over there. You just reach in. You'll have a lot of videos on public speaking and stuff. Anyway, that's not my subject here today. Influence people, and pretty much everybody of you think influencing people is important. It is the thing. And the worst part is none of these schools teach how to influence people. None of the schools teach, at least they didn't teach me. I don't know if they teach you. None of the schools teach influencing. And few organizations like SRWA take this initiative where they want the children, the teenagers, the future generation, the Generation Z to learn these stuff. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then I come to the important stuff here is, if you want to have influence on people, you need to plan your life. Let me tell you that you need to plan your life. When I say life, don't get scared. Okay, this is big words you need to use in workshops, but important point is what I have highlighted: plan. If you don't plan, you won't reach where you want to reach, because there is no plan. It's very important. It's very, very important. Yeah. Of course, there are few schools who take this initiative of teaching certain things. Of late, they have started. I do agree, but it's not a part of the curriculum which the government circulates. Thank you so much for correcting me. Plan. This is very important. Planning. I'm taking you step by step because that is my method of teaching. I'm promising you, you would come out with something amazing. Only thing is, I'm trying to, first treat your roots, thoughts. I'm trying to treat from there, and then I'm going to go in. Yes, and planning is very crucial. And then comes why now, this question. So many of you must be asking, why now, Rajubai? Okay, by the way, my name is Rajendra Jain. People call me Rajubai out of love. And I'm a teenage coach. Well, that is pretty much about me. Why now? The question always people ask me is why now? Let me give you a threefold, very quick answer. Because today, look at the present crisis which is happening, and literally 70% plus of the world leadership is looking towards India to take the lead for help in coming out with solutions. And this is a reality today. And important point is, just rewind a year or a few years back, and you would know very important stuff there is. I just want you to highlight to a point where India went ahead and made Syria and United Arab Emirates stop their war against each other so that it could evacuate its people. Not just that, when India did it, there were so many countries, the most powerful countries, so-called powerful countries of the world, they pleaded with India to get their nationals also, because they were not able to do it. This is powerful. Okay. This is the new India. This is what I'm talking about. Why now? This is amazing. But even more important point, why I want to tell you is, the biggest strength of India is you. The biggest strength is the teenagers and the youth, the crowd, the Generation Z, the millennials. Why? Because you are the future, and India is sitting on the huge pile of future. When I say pile, sorry, maybe some terminology issues, but when I say huge pile, we have abundant manpower which is in teenage and youth today. You, yes, we are talking about you. Next 10 years, you are going to be the movers and shakers. And that is why we are taking this session today. SRWA has taken this initiative because they believe the future of Shantinagar is you people. They believe the future of Karnataka is you people, and they believe you are the future of this nation. If you agree with me, type in agree over here, and I will straight away jump into the topic of today. If you agree, type in agree. Yes, I want everybody's participation. I am feeling very excited because Shantinagar is my area. I love Shantinagar. I love people of Shantinagar. Okay, and that is why I am vibrating with energy. You can see that heat coming out of me. Well, I'm connecting with you people. Thank you so much for being part of it. We come straight away into the first part, mission statement. Let me tell you your plan. You need to plan your life. When I said plan your life, the first point is mission statement. And I once again congratulate you for taking this big step of putting down your mission statement. People feel this is very difficult, but I have made it very simple. I have made it very easy. In fact, only 3 steps. How many steps, please? If you have heard how many steps, type in how many steps here. Type in how many steps, answer to my question. How many steps? Very quickly. I am going to make it very simple, very easy. In fact, the grown-ups who are sitting there, you can come out with a mission statement for your organization. You can come out with a mission statement for your family. We do all these things for family, but today we are talking about individuals. How many steps? I need your answer. Yes, beautiful. Shanti Nagar. You are making me fall in love with you guys once again. Beautiful. I love you guys. Okay, 3 steps. And what are these 3 steps? The first step, okay, the first step in mission statement. The first step is I do. Now, what I want is I had asked you for some supplies, right? Now, I want you to take out a book and a pen, a writing pen, okay? Very sorry for small glitch connection problem. Okay, what I want you to do is read this I do. Okay, just say I if you can hear me. Type in I if you can hear me. Very sorry for this technical glitch. Type in I if you can hear me. Thank you so much, so much. Thank you so much for bearing with me. Okay, this first step of mission statement, writing down your mission statement, is just read this word: inspire, motivate, help, encourage, lead, support, nurture, involve. One or two words from this. You need to take out one or two words. Write down one or two words from this. Assist, advise, utilize, teach, generate. One or two words from this. Discover, change. If you have done, type in done over here so that I know we can go to the next step. If you have done with this, type in done. One or two words only. And how you need to choose is just keep reading. And if some word clicks, wow, gives you a wow feeling, write in that word. One or two words only. Yes. Very quickly, if you have done, type in done so that I move ahead to the next step. Thank you so much. You guys are super quick, super fast. That is when I enjoy working with teenagers. Creating teenager leaders is much easier. Yeah, you are rock stars, guys. Okay, I'll move to the next slide. Thank you so much. Now what you need to do is, once you have decided on what to do. Who do you assist? Who do I assist? The next step is, who do I assist? Who do I help? It could be people in general. Just note it down in your notepad or book. Okay. Do not overshoot me. I am putting one step by step. Don't overpass me. Be with me. Stay with me. You people are smart. You're intelligent. I acknowledge it. But please be with me. Okay. Who do you assist? It could be people in general, overall. Or next step is, it could be specific group of people like teenagers, women, girls, youth, business owners, poor, hungry, disabled, elderly, orphaned, depressed. It could be people from Karnataka. It could be people from South India or people from North India. It could be Africans. It could be Americans. It could be any kind of people. Okay. Or it could be animals, birds, insects, or it could be trees or water bodies or others, anything. Others means specific others. You should know, apart if it's not covered here. So who do you assist? Write one, only one, not more. Only one, please. Write it down in your notepad. One. First, you wrote 2 letters here, 1 or 2 words from the previous slide. Now write down one from this slide. Anyone. If you're done, type in done over here. Very quickly, type in done over here. If you have chosen one, don't worry. Already your mind must be thinking, how will I make a statement? In fact, I would suggest, don't use your brains now. I will tell you when to use it, because right now you don't need it. Work with your heart. Yes, I am the person who's telling you that. Work with your heart right now. Don't use your, knowledge, brain. Your mind will constantly come to you and say, how do I make statement? Grammatically, I should be correct. Don't worry about all that. Yes, if you have done, I will go to the next one. Thank you so much. Value addition. What is the value addition you are going to do to the people? Now here, instead of me defining value addition, all that, what I'm going to do is, okay, few people missed on the 2 slides. First one, okay, I'll retake it just very quickly. This is the first step, step number 1. Out of these words that you see in front of the screen, choose any 1 or 2 words out of this. Okay, very simple. Don't use your mind trying to analyze, trying to figure out. 1 or 2 words, very quick. I want you to be super fast. Then out of this, choose one. It could be people, it could be women, girls, youth, elderly, orphan, depressed, old age people, poor, hungry, teenagers, or animal, or birds, or trees, or waters, whatever your choice. People, Kannadigas, people from Karnataka, people from any one you choose. Done. And now value addition. Now here, what I'm going to do is, instead of explaining what value stands for, what is the dictionary meaning of addition, all that crap, I will straight away make it very simple for you by showing my mission statement. Now I wrote this 14 months back. Okay. And this is very relevant because it's easier to learn from example. If it's okay for me to show my mission statement, type in okay over here so that I have your permission and I can straight away flash my mission statement and take it to the next level straight away. Yeah. All of you need to participate, please. I need participation. Shantinagar. Thank you. Now, this is my mission statement. 14 months back, I wrote this. Before that, I did not have my mission statement, mind you. Okay, I did not have. But after writing this, the way I approach things has changed very, very drastically. I will take you through that later, but I just want you to value addition. I want to explain that. If you read this to inspire, okay. If you read this to inspire and motivate, okay. Inspire and motivate. I took 2 words from that first screen. Okay. Who do I do for? People. I have taken people. See, again, there is no right or wrong. This is, a bit higher. This is a bit lower. This is your choice. Important point is not grammar, not language. Important point is, have you written it yourself and do you own it? That's very crucial. Your ownership is very important and your personal contribution in bringing out your mission statement is very crucial. That is when I am not giving you, okay, I can straight away write this as your mission statement. But I do not want to. Now, what is the value addition? To broaden their horizon and realize a better and beautiful version of themselves. This is my mission statement. And you observe I have written my name below. Okay. If I had to write this when I was a youngster, when I was a youth or a teenager, this could read like, to inspire and motivate people to become better persons. You may say, Rajubai, it's very simple. It doesn't matter whether it is simply simple or complicated. What matters is you have written it. Okay. And if you observe, I've used different colors. I've used different flowers and all that stuff. I've decorated this stuff. Why? Because this is me. This is my creation. Important point is I own this. I own this. People may like it. People may not like it. In fact, few of my audience, people, one among you may be thinking, Raju, your handwriting is so bad. Well, this is not about handwriting. This is about my mission of my life. And I think that is much bigger than handwriting. Yeah, that is life and death than handwriting. Yes. Was this helpful? If it was helpful, type in help over here, because now I will straight away ask you to jump into this. I will give you examples. Type in help if you understood this. You guys are smart cookies, okay? If I were to do this for grown-ups, you know what they will say? Raju bhai, but do you think inspire is the right word? Why don't you use that word? Raju bhai, the grammar, this is what they would say. Yeah, definitely. I also don't care about handwriting. Tejas, I'm with you. Okay, this is beautiful. This is why I love teenagers. These are action takers. I can tell you, you people believe in taking action, and that is why I enjoy being with you people. And you need to straight away jump into action. I have given a few examples. Okay, you will write only one. You will not copy from this. This is just an example for you to understand. And what it is, the mission of my life is to help people to not to get angry. The mission of my life is to help people live beautiful life. The mission of my life is to save water. The mission of my life is to change the mindset of business people. The mission of my life is to help teenagers come out of depression. It could be anything. Do not copy this. This is just an example for you people, because now I'm going to give you 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes with you for you to write down your mission statement. Club all the three, those 1 or 2 words, then who and what value addition, like I showed an example. Club in and come out with your mission statement. Okay, 5 minutes and your time starts now. 5 minutes. Immerse yourself into this. Don't worry how good your statement is going to be. It doesn't matter. What matters is it's your statement. I will tell you how powerful this is going to be. Do not write it here. Okay, please stop for a minute. Okay, just stop, pause, look at me. You are going to take a fresh sheet, A4 sheet, and you are going to start writing your mission statement the way I wrote on my sheet. No blanks in between. Different color, make it colorful, make it enjoyable, and your continuous time starts once again. On an A4 sheet, if you do not have an A4 sheet, take some paper, including a ruled paper is also okay now. Take it, use different sketch pens, color pencils, whatever you have, color it. Write down English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Urdu. Language doesn't matter. Important point is it should flow from your heart, what you believe in. And don't use your mind too much. Color the entire page, put some flower, some decoration, underline, do what you want to do, but it should not be, simple plain white. Shade it. Do shading on that. Don't worry about the outlook, okay, how it is looking. The outcome is very important than the outlook for me. Feel as you are writing, feel that statement. Yes, if you're done, put some decoration, some underlining, make it more attractive, more visible, more, physical, I would say. Play around with your mission statement. Just play with it. Feel your mission statement as you are writing every word, no matter how many of them are there on your sheet, means something to you. This is you. This is your heart. This is you have poured your heart on the sheet of paper. Few of you will start feeling with it. Don't worry. Few of you will get overwhelmed. It's okay. Because perhaps for majority of you, this is the first time you are doing something like this. First time you are putting your heart on a paper. Otherwise, nobody in this world cares to look into your heart. See that. Feel that paper. Laugh, smile with that paper. You're en route to doing something which 99.9% of people in this world have not done. You are one amongst those who believes. Do it. Once you're done, type in done here. Start finishing, last 30 seconds. Start finishing. Those who have finished, take the paper in your hand and read it once, twice, and stop. First of all, accept my congratulations because you have become the top 0.1% population of this world by virtue of this simple paper. If you show these papers to others, it may not make sense. It doesn't matter because this paper is for you. I want you to take this sheet, this written sheet in your hand like this. Let me show you my mission statement. I still carry it. This was written 14 months back. I still have it with me because this I am connected. This was the first time I, put my heart on sheet of paper. And when I read it, it may be simple words, but this gives meaning to my life today. And I want you to read it once, twice. Keep it in your hands. Read it once or twice. Don't read it loud. Just read it to your heart. And I want the first word which is coming in your heart, write it here. Type in here if you're feeling wow, if you're feeling amazing. I want that first one word which is coming, because many of you, this is the first time you are speaking from your heart. Don't worry about the language. Yes, you definitely need to feel proud. Inspire, of course. Who else can inspire than myself to me? Awesome, fabulous. It is. This is your first creation. This is your first creation, and you need to celebrate. Yes, wow, proud. Yes, I want everybody to write here how you are feeling. Yes, it is your heart on your sheet, Viola. Yes. I want everybody writing something here. How you are feeling? Yes, you need to be proud of yourself. Very important. Happy. Yes. The ultimate purpose of life is being happy. And this is where your happiness begins. This is your journey. Yeah. I want one word which you are feeling right now when you see your mission statement. Yes. I want you to feel proud. Yes. Emotional. Yes, Disha. It is. It makes a lot of us feel that way. Let me tell you, even today, when I see this so many times, I cry. Yes, there are days when I'm alone, when I look into it, something comes out. It hits me hard when I'm going wrong, or when I'm, too much into unproductive things. I just happen to read this and it kicks me in the wrong places and says, anyway, that is for grown-ups. I do not want to get involved into all this, but feel proud. Okay, take your right hand up like this, pat your own back. I want you to pat your back. And if there is somebody next to you sitting in your house, yes, you are definitely capable. You need to tap their back. Even if they are grown-ups, I'm sorry, mummy, papa, even if they are there, if they have done this exercise, just pat on the back and say, wow, you've done a great job. Do it, do it, do it. Yes. Ha. Did you ever think that your heart can make you emotional? Did you ever think that your heart, when it is exhibited on a sheet of paper, it could mean a whole lot of different things to you? And today is the day when you should feel proud that you had the courage to put it down. You know why people don't put it on paper? Yes, it is beautiful. Why people don't put it on paper is because they are afraid, they are worried. And why I work with teenagers, with Generation Z, and let me tell you, I have created a lot of people. Okay, credit to their family members, to their parents, because everything is done. My job is to only tap where it is needed. I can only tap. That is what I can do. But parents do a huge job. Okay, and I think if you have your parents around you, I don't know, after the program, hug them or whatever, but they are the source of your energy. That much I can tell you. Anyways, now I want to go to the next aspect. Okay, this is an even more powerful aspect. If you think this was powerful, I'm going to go into the next aspect, which is even more powerful. Let me share this story with you. Okay, this is one student of ours, and she studied in or studies in Mitralaya Girls School. It is close to Shantinagar. I'm sure a lot of you know Mitralaya Girls School. If you know, type in I do. Type in I do if you know Mitralaya Girls School, because I don't give instances from history. I talk reality. And if I'm teaching youth, if I'm teaching teenagers, I will give examples amongst you. Yeah, it is near Corporation Circle. Now, this girl joined the school in 9th standard. Now she is in 10th standard. She studies in the Kannada medium. There are two mediums in that school. One is English and one is Kannada medium. Okay. Now this school, by chance, any chance anybody is here from Mitralaya Girls School? If you are, say me over here, any student of Mitralaya, past student, present student, if anybody is there, I want to see, because this is from your, this is one amongst you. Anyways, now what happened was, okay, she's joined in 9th standard, she's in 10th standard, she's in Kannada medium. She stood for election. Okay, they have elections for the head girl, that's a girls' school. So for the captain of the school, they have elections. She stood for the election. she's part of our Beyond books. She's done level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. And that is when she came in, she did not know English, by the way. She did not understand. But today, the way she can speak, you'll be zapped. You will not even come to know. By the way, she started her education with 6th standard, not 1st standard. Like all of us start from LKG, UKG, 1st standard, 2nd standard. She started her education from 6th standard, not 1st, 2nd, 3rd. I'm just giving you a background, because what this next activity can do to you, you'll be zapped. 10th standard, she stands for the election. And guess what happens? There are other girls from the English division also who stood for election. She was the only girl from Kannada division. She stood up. She stood for elections. Elections over. Counting of votes is over. And guess what happens? She wins the election hands down. This is not the important point. The point that I'm about to elaborate to you, what this next activity can do to you. When I went to meet the teachers, you know what those teachers told me? She broke the 175 years history of the school. She broke the 175 years record of the school, because in the entire 175 years history of that school, not once a Kannada division girl has become the head girl of the school. Not once. And this girl goes on to become the head girl of the school, entire school. If you think this is amazing, I want you to type in here, what is your feeling towards this, whatever has happened? What is your feeling? Maybe, wow, amazing, zapped. I want to listen to you. I want to hear, yes, it is. Because I believe, if you appreciate others wholeheartedly, yes, this is crazy stuff. Shocked, I am till now shocked. Okay, if you appreciate others, that is the least you can do. That rubs into you, that comes back to you. And that is when I always tell people, even if your enemy wins, one whom you don't like, if they win, go and appreciate them, said congratulations. That's the least you can do. Yes, this is mind-blowing. And the next exercise that I'm about to make you do is something related, and that is called the vision board. Okay, vision board, where you are going to open your heart. Yes, the term, you have heard it right. Not literally, you're not going to literally open your heart. Okay, you are going to, write down what all you have wanted in your life. You will take this pad. Okay, let me straight away jump. Let me not do too much of explaining, otherwise you'll get confused. I will take you through it. Take this letter pad or a book that you have, take your pen, and I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. And mind you, I want you to take this exercise very seriously. 5 minutes, your pen or pencil tip will not come out of the book. It has to keep touching and writing. Keep writing what all you have ever wanted in your life. I'm not worried about your age, what age you are in, which class you study in, 5th standard, 7th standard, 12th standard, graduation, post-graduation, PhD. It doesn't matter. You are into business for the last 40 years. It doesn't matter. All I want you to do is simply start writing what all you want from your life, what all you want to achieve. It could be going into the skies. It could be going deep seas, sea diving. It could be becoming a pilot. It could be, going around on a world tour. It could be going to Disneyland. It could be so many things, but include something in terms of money. Please, I am very practical person. I'm result oriented person. I want you to think something in terms of money, maybe a few 100,000 crores. Think that way. I want you to think about your, in case you always wanted to come first in your school, first in whatever, crazy stuff. Just start writing what you always wanted to achieve. What other things is madness, crazy. They call me mad. Okay, people call me crazy and mad. And I love that, because I am like that. And why? Because I am a person who gets 100% result. I have a track record of 100% result. Why? Because of my crazy stuff. And you will begin writing crazy stuff here, what all you want to achieve. Don't worry, don't use your mind, use your heart. Write it and type yes over here, and then start writing. Type yes over here in the chat box and start writing. And your time starts now. Very quickly, very quickly. Yes, don't worry about the grammar. This is not your English test. Don't worry about the spellings. I'm not your English teacher. I'm your life coach. I'm your life teacher. My job is to push you to the topmost bracket of the world. That's my job. Start writing this crazy stuff. Just make sure you're typed in yes over here so that I understand your writing. You need to get immersed. I know few of you will get emotional because a lot of people have told you this is not possible. I have gone through too much of shit in my life. I can tell you that. That is what I want you to write today. Write. You want to come first in your school? Write. You want to be a chartered accountant, the number one rank holder in this country? Right. You want to be a doctor? Right, where you'll treat lakhs of people. You want to write your own book? You want to be an author? Right. You want to be a public speaker? Right. You want to be somebody like Rajubhai? Right. You want to be a big business person with 50 branches all across the world? Right. You want to have few thousand crores turnover? Right. You want to have hotels across? Right. Write something about spirituality. Write something about family. Write something about leadership. Write something about holidaying. Write about what you want to achieve. Write about winning medals, Olympic medals for this country. Write about sports. Write about education. 95, 98%. Write what all you ever wanted. Even if I have not spoken something, write it down, but write it big. Very big. Write it. If your mind is blocking you, tell your mind to shut up and write. Tell your mind, keep quiet and write. You continue writing. Go ahead. Write, write. Few of you will be feeling heavy in your heart because first time somebody's come in front of you and asked you what you want from life. I do not want to see finish or done. You will continue writing. Continue writing. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff you're going to write. Write. Keep writing. You still have 1.5 minutes more, right? I'm purposely giving you 5 minutes. Fill one more page, it's okay. As much as you can. Don't never ever in your life hold back yourself until somebody tells you to stop. You should never stop by yourself. Never. Never in your life. Keep going, keep going. Don't worry. How many pages? How much? Don't worry. Yes. Yes, Rohan, there is always place for much, much more in life. Continue, continue. Last 30 seconds. Right, as if this is life and death for you. Right. Even if it sounds crazy, right? Right, right, right. Start finishing. Start finishing. And stop. I just want to have a small survey amongst you people, okay? Now this question will appear on your screen, either yes or a no, okay? I just want to ask you, how many of you agree that when you know what you want in life, chances of getting it becomes much brighter? How many of you believe in this, okay? It's taking a little time. Don't worry. Type in over here. How many of you believe that, when you know what you want from life, what you want, chances of getting it becomes much brighter. If you think you believe, type in me over here very quickly. If you don't, say I don't. That's okay. If you believe, type in me. Very quickly. Come on, Generation Z, Shantinagar. You guys are doing great, I must tell you. One of the most active crowds that I have got. Yes, push in. Yes, I want everybody to answer, because unless you know what you want, how will you get it? And this is what hunger is all about. Hungry for what? If you don't know, then you'll be hungry for food. Nothing wrong in being hungry for food. I'm also a foodie. But in life, if you are not hungry for success, then you'll end up sad in life. Let me tell you that. Yeah. And success doesn't mean only money. There are so many definitions of success, each one. Now, I want to share my vision board to you. Okay, this is my vision board. How many of you can see my vision board? If you can see, say I. Okay, if you can see a pointer coming on the left hand top corner, say I fast, very quickly, because I want to explain to you everything. I have a reason and I take you step by step. I do not simply do things because it was somebody told, somebody great told. I don't believe in that. Each one of you is great. Each of your family member is a great person to be inspired. In fact, SRW is a case study where, these people, Prasad, Girish, and our secretary, all these people, they are who's who. They have their own businesses, they have their own jobs, amazing people, but still they come out of their cocoon, okay? They come out of their shelf for the other residents of Shantinagar. Why? Why? Because I'm not going to answer. It's up to them. Yes, but they are mad people. They are mad for their fellow members in Shantinagar, okay? This is madness. And in life, if you're not mad, you're not going to achieve anything. Let me tell you that. This is what it is. Yes. Now, this, if you can see here, this is my vision board. Of course, please don't laugh at it, okay? Because this is the best drawing. This is supposed to be a drawing. This is the best drawing I can do in my life. Okay. In fact, let me be very honest with you. I laugh when I see my own drawing. This is my vision board. I want you to take on the left hand top corner here, okay? If you see there is a word written here, beyond books, 10,000, house full, 250, okay? If you are with me, type W here. Type W over here. So I know you are with me. I do not want you to overshoot, overjump. Don't look at other things. Be with me. Look at what I am telling you so that I can explain to you. And next, you are going to do something amazing. People are winning Olympic medals, by the way. People are going to NASA. And I'm talking about my students. I'm not talking about outsiders. I'm talking about my students who go on to get, after getting 60, 70% marks, they want to get 95% marks. And I'm telling you why, how it is possible. I'm not going to tell you or teach you how you should study 2 hours, 3 hours. You will decide what you want to do. And that decision I'm going to take you through today, okay? Now here on the left hand top corner, if you see this, we conduct 2 days seminar, okay, called Beyond Books, okay, very famous. Almost 500 students have gone through this, and today they are rock stars. Today they go on stage in front of 100, 200, 5,000 people. They go and they speak. This is what the caliber they develop, okay, because we believe in creating lion cubs. Now, I used to take seminars with 30 people in a batch. Before, remember, this is 14 months back, I did this exercise and I understood there, and I wrote 250. Let me be honest with you, when I wrote this, when I did this, I was not so much convinced. I'm a businessman. Ye drawing se sab hota hai kya? Okay, I'm being very practical to you people, how I behaved. I wrote this, and guess what happens? In the last 1 week alone, I have touched more than 500 people, more than 500 registrations. I have touched them in terms of the program that we are doing. Before this, it wouldn't have been possible. I wrote it here. I want to believe I wrote it. That is why. And today, if you see, this is the entire stuff is Earth. These are aeroplane to indicate I'm going across the globe. Today, before this, I have never, except for once, I have not thought of doing programs outside. Today, I am in discussion with people outside India to conduct programs for them. If you see here in the center, there is, FM means finance minister, PM means prime minister. There are, army, navy, air force, and I am hosting the national flag. Don't ask me, Raju bhai, what is it, how it is. I will tell you, be with me. Don't overshoot me. I did not, this I drew 14 months back. Before this, I have never trained any politician or their families. Guess what happens? This April, when we announced our batch, the sitting member of parliaments, they called us up. They wanted to send their children for the program. Before this, it has never happened. After writing this, okay, here you see a simple book. Okay, when I was challenged, this is supposed to be a book, and you see 3 Roman numeric 3 over here. Now let me tell you, this is a book. I wrote that I want to be an author because continuously 2 years before this 14 months, I was writing a book. It was never getting over. I wrote this. Guess what? Today my book is ready. It's ready to be published. It's just that because of the lockdown, we are not publishing it. Within the moment lockdown is out, within next 1 to 2 months, this book will be out. Okay, first book. I wrote 3 there. Okay, second, I came out with the idea during this lockdown. I came out with an idea of how to create 50 ways of generating pocket money. Simple ways, perfect ways, foolproof ways of generating pocket money by teenagers. Do you think if it's cool, type in cool over here? Okay, because that is my second book. Draft is ready. I need to stop typing in. That's all. This is the power of this drawing. I'm just trying to correlate to this drawing. Before this, it has not happened. And guess what? I spoke to you about our students. 15 of our Beyond Book students are on the verge of, publishing their books. They are on the verge of becoming the youngest authors of the world. Yes, not Bangalore, not Karnataka, not India. Youngest authors of the world. 15 of them. Their book is also pretty much ready. It's just about to go for editing. 3. This is the power. This heart that you can see, this is about my family. Okay, love, trust, support. I want this. So here you can see some cars, and here you can see Raju bhai, youth icon. Well, I can go on and on. But what I want you to do is, okay, take a fresh A4 sheet. I want to take a new A4 sheet, and whatever you have written down in that paper, I'm going to give you 7 seconds. I'm going to give you, 7 minutes, not seconds. Apologies. Sorry. 7 minutes. What you are going to do is what all you have written, you will convert it into picture and draw. This sheet should not be white. This should be colored completely. Draw. Don't worry whether the drawing is relevant, not relevant. If you understand it, that is good enough. And your time starts now. On a fresh A4 sheet, if you have started, type in yes over your alphabet yes, so that I know you have started with the work. Type in yes. The rest of you type in yes, then you start your work, so that I know. I'm just counting how many yeses I have. Make use of every second. No talking, no discussing. Don't even discuss with anybody. 7 minutes, you and your paper. That's all. I'm telling you, few of you will start with tears. I'm promising you that it will happen. Because till date, you have never understood what you want. And today you are going to pour your heart out, what all you want. Your passion, your dreams, your goals, everything on this sheet. What all you have written in this paper, sheet of book, put it in this A4 sheet, color them. No writing, draw pictures, diagrams, pictures, yeah, and color them. Do some, artwork, some flowers. Don't worry whether you're perfect or not. Yes, if you have started, type in yes in the chat box over here. Mind you, use your heart. This is very, very powerful. This is very powerful. Don't look here and there. You will not type in done till I ask you to stop. You will not stop till I tell you to stop, because this is your chance. Start coloring. Draw, color, shade. It should be a representation, pictorial representation of what you have written, what you want in life. You want to be, rank holder in your school, draw with a trophy. Don't worry. You want to be a public speaker, draw one boy with so many people around. You want to go around the world, your choice. But make sure you write there, you do something for about your family, about spirituality, about money. I want you to do it about your education, about business. Don't stop. You need to be crazy. You need to work like crazy, as if there is death waiting for you after. You need to do it as if this is your last chance. And as you are doing, few of your hands will shake. I'm telling you. Few of you will be scared. Few of you will be overwhelmed. It's okay. Just draw. If tears are coming, let them come, but do it, do it. The world has been asking you to stop. And here is a person who's asking you to do. The world laughs at you. And here there is a group which is willing to smile with you. Do. Your life is at stake. Do. Make sure you give shades, use different colors. Never stop when somebody asks you to pour your heart out till they tell you to stop. Because world is filled with people who will keep stopping you, who will keep blocking you, who will tell you what kind of idiot you are. World will tell you, there are people who will tell you all this. But when somebody is wanting to believe in you, pour your heart out. Pour it. Let it flow. I want you to feel every centimeter, every inch of your paper that you are drawing. This is your life, mind you. I want you to feel. I want you to feel it. Take control and start. Don't let anybody stop you. Become that unstoppable. Continue. You are doing a great job. Let me tell you that. Go through the feeling. Go through it. Don't worry about the world. Let the world do its job. You do your job. Keep coloring the paper. I know your heart is wanting to connect with that paper. I can feel that emotion today. Last 30 seconds. You guys are doing an amazing job, guys. Sweetheart, beautiful. Keep going. In fact, even after I say stop, you should continue doing it. That should be your passion towards your objectives in life. Start finishing. I know your heart is not listening to you, it wants to go on, but I'll have to ask you to stop and stop. What is that one word right now you are feeling? Yeah, you have 10 seconds. What is that one word which is coming to your mind right now? Look at your paper. One word which you think. Satisfied, certainly. Proud and amazing, yes. Pour it out here. Motivated, certainly it is. Very quickly, I want everybody to type in their feeling. I want to feel your feeling because I'm here to connect with you. Let me see if my connect with you is the right one. Proud of myself. Yes, Dhiren, you need to be motivated. Yes, this is why we are. Yes, everybody. Yes, shocked. I was shocked when I started seeing these things becoming a reality. Proud, yes. Well, I can go on and on and on. In fact, let me tell you, just 90 minutes and look what happens. 90 minutes and there is so much which is there inside, which is wanting to come out. Well, 90 minutes, this is what I can do. But let me tell you the exercise you did. There is a huge booklet. This is not a book for sale. I'm not selling anything, by the way. But I want to show this 5 years of our research of Sarvatra is in this booklet. Okay. This is a very simple booklet, which is part of our workshop. This does the magic for us. Today, if you are feeling zapped, let me tell you, I feel like, you should be with me so that I can get the maximum out of you. I can go on and on with stories, but today, like I told you, it is about you. It is about the future of Shantinagar. It is about SRWA and its impact. Okay. So all I'm wanting to tell you is this is your first attempt. Look at the sheet. The sheet will want to talk to you. It's okay. Okay. But important point is you have done what 0.1% people in this world have done. Today you know where you want to go. Today you have a mission for your life. Let me tell you, none of the students of your class will have this. Let me tell you, you are people who are doing this workshop will have. The other children of Shantinagar don't have this. That is why you are the exclusive club. You agree with me? If you agree with me, type in agree over here. Today you have found a purpose for your life. You have found, I have not told you what your purpose of life is. Yeah, you have found it for yourself. This is powerful. Okay, you have found it. If you are, this is powerful, type in powerful over here because we are heading towards, I want to give you a gift right now. I am feeling overwhelmed and I'm going to give you a gift. But if you are feeling powerful, write in powerful over here. Everybody needs to pitch in. Yes, powerful. I am feeling very powerful today. It was certainly amazing connecting with my own people from Shantinagar. Well, I take sessions across the globe, but it is always said, right? We always forget about our loved ones. I am very sorry that I took it so long to come to my own people in Shantinagar, the amazing teenagers of Shantinagar. I owe it to you. I love you guys. Now I'm going to give you a gift. What you are going to do is the mission statement and vision board. Two things you have written. Yes. What you are going to do is note down this number. Okay, note down this number 99164777771. This is my number. This is very crucial number, very important number, not just for today, for any time in your life. If you are in trouble, you can contact this number. Rajubai will be there by your side. I promise you that. My students know it, what Rajubai means, because even after their course is over, we are still continuing with our studies, with our education. We are every week, we are meeting during the lockdown, and every month once we meet in our mastermind. Now, to be a part of Sarvatra, what you need to do? Well, it is not easy to be a part of Sarvatra. The number is written here. Okay, the number is written here. 9916477771 9916477771. I'll write it in the chat box also. This is my number. Okay, any point of time you face difficulty, never hesitate to call. Now, to get here, to earn your gift in Sarvatra, nothing is free. Let me tell you straight away. You need to earn it. So how you earn it is, this number is there. You will take a picture with your loved ones, okay, with your family members, and send it to this number and put it on Facebook or other social media, wherever you want to. This is very important. You need to show it to the world. I show it shamelessly to everybody, and that is why I realize it has become reality much faster. Show it to everybody and certainly send it to this number. Okay, I have also got a channel, Sarvatra, on YouTube, a very powerful channel. It is for teenagers. It is a gold mine for teenagers like you. I teach free of cost over there in terms of public speaking tips which nobody will give you. I am telling you, we come out of research. How much ever money you pay, you will not get it outside. Did you know how to use skipping to improve your public speaking skills? I do it. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm crazy, but I want you to go there, subscribe to that channel, so that you get our videos free of cost. There are certain courses also put there. You will get it free of cost. Okay, no charges over there. And your gift, well, that is not the gift. Your gift is, do you want a gift? If you think you want a gift, right, type gift over here. I will very quickly give you that. Type in gift. Yes, if you love gift, type gift over there. Others who are not typing gift, you will not get the gift, by the way. I am very particular. Type in gift. Yeah, there is no riders, there is no catch, there is no conditions, absolutely zero conditions apply. Okay, your gift is, people who have attended today's seminar will become part of my inner club, people whom I handhold, people whom I continuously give my masterminds. It's called the Sarvatra Mastermind. It costs 12,000 rupees, 1 year subscription. This subscription comes to you absolutely free of cost. Shantinagar is my area. I love Shantinagar. When I'm doing this for the entire world, I'm still thinking, how could I miss my own people, my own children in Shantinagar? Okay, sorry for being late, but better late than never. This is your gift. I will add you. Your mails will come to you so that you can join in automatically. This is by invitation only. This is very powerful. If you thought today's event was very powerful, that is even more powerful. Anyways, be a part of it. The number, note down this number. This is a very important number. Thank you so much. I once again want to thank each and every member of SRWA, Shantinagar Residents Association, Shantinagar Resident Welfare Association. It's an amazing organization, voluntary organization. Prasad, Shashikala, Ashwin, Girish, and President, our President, Anand, is the current term President. Amazing people. You should associate with SRWA, attend their events. There are some amazing events for teenagers, for grown-ups. In fact, you should volunteer into their program. They are genuine people. And my special gratitude and thanks to the amazing girl called Disha, an amazing girl. Sorry, Rashmi, I'm using this word, girl. Women were also girls one point of time. Rashmi, Sneha, you are amazing guys. Thank you so much. Love you so much. If you want to thank me, type in hug over here, HUG. so that I give virtual hug to you people. I love hugs. I hug people. So type in hug. And of course, make sure you thank SRWA for their wonderful initiative. Love you so much. Until we meet in the mastermind. Thank you so much. Certainly, we'll definitely meet. Thank you. Make sure you type in hug over here. Just make sure you type in hug. That's my gift. That is my payment. Okay. Rajubai loves you. Thank you so much.